So the law of conservation of angular momentum is valid for any central force. If the force is acting towards center, okay, you can apply always, okay, angular momentum, conservation of angular momentum. Central force is a force on a planet which is along the vector joining the sun and the planet, where sun is on the position of center, okay, foci of the ellipse. Clear? 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 So here see the proof. Okay, a planet moves an elliptical orbit from position A to position B in time delta t. A to B. We are coming A to B in time delta t. So suppose initial time is t, r of t. So what will be the time? What will be the time? T plus delta t, yes or no? Tell me. The position, initial position r of t. So final position will be r of t plus delta t. Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me. This is clear. Initial position r of t. R of t. Initial position is r of t. R of t. Okay. And after delta t time, position will be r of t plus delta t. Clear? Clear? Tell me. Yes or no? Yes or no? So see, initial angle is theta. Initial angle is theta. Okay. When the time is t, any time t, you can take any time t. अरे समझ में आ रहा है. So डेल्टा टी टाइम में कितना स्वीप होगा? डेल्टा टी टाइम में कितना स्वीप होगा? एंगल डेल्टा थीटा होगा, हाँ या ना? बोलो बोलो. So now what is angle? Theta plus delta theta, हाँ या ना? बोलो. Tell me. Now what is angle? Theta plus delta theta. Yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है? बोलो. Tell me. Yes or no? Clear? Clear? Yes or no? Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Yes or no? Yes or no? Clear? Position vector. You should know how to write position vector. Okay, very important. Without knowing this, you cannot understand anything. Okay, yes or no? Tell me. So from A to B, you are coming from A to B. Okay, along the elliptical path. Along the elliptical path. So theta equals to L by R. Okay, so what is the arc length? R delta theta. Clear? R delta theta. Clear? Clear? Theta equal to L by R. Clear? L to arc. Yes or no? Arc length. Clear? 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 So R delta theta is arc length. Clear? Tell me. Tell me. Clear? Clear? So we already know the law. Area swept by the position vector R is equal to the area of triangular region. The triangular region I had shown the region. Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me. So what is the area of triangular region? You know the formula now. 1 by 2 into R into the length of R delta theta. Remember, if you don't know, remember this formula. Okay. 1 by 2 into radius into length of R delta theta. Okay. So this formula you can also, this is the basic. Remember this, then you can put the values, then the value will come 1 by 2 R square delta theta. Clear? 1 by 2 R square delta theta. Clear? 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 1 by 2 R square delta theta. Clear? 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 Tell me. Clear? Yes or no? This is area delta A. So if I ask delta A by delta T, okay, rate of change of area with respect to time, delta A by delta T. So this will be what now? 1 by 2 R square delta theta by delta T. Can I say omega? Tell me. Tell me. Delta theta by delta T. Can I say omega? Tell me. Yes or no? अरे बोलो. Yes or no? So now you need to remember this formula. This is very helpful for solving numericals and any good typical questions. Okay, so delta A by delta T. Okay, for Kepler's second law, 1 by 2 R square omega. Tell me. Clear? 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 Tell me. What is angular momentum? Angular momentum of any planet of mass m, I into omega. Tell me. Yes or no? I into omega. Basic. Go through basic. Okay. L equal to I into omega. And what is I? M R square. mr square. Clear? Mr square into omega. This is equals to L. Clear? So from here, what is omega, my student? What is omega? Can you tell me? L by mr square. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? So what is delta A by delta T? 1 by 2. I already derived r square omega. Can I put the value of omega here? What will be here? What will be the result? 1 by 2 r square into L by mr square. L by mr square. R square cancel out. R square cancel out. No term of R square. So L by 2m. L by 2m. L by 2m. This is constant. This is constant. Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me. L by 2m is always constant. Yes or no? Okay. Tell me. Yes or no? So L by 2m is always constant. Clear? Concept is clear. You enjoyed the concept? Yes or no? Tell me. Tell me. Clear? Clear? Clear?